Hello everyone, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can change password of Twitter. So to begin with, whether you are using the web version at twitter.com or the mobile app, should it be Android or an iOS, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner, then open up the settings and support section, or should I say expanded, then go for settings and privacy page. In here, go for the security and account access. Go for the your account category, then change your password. In here, enter the current password that you have. Then at the new password field, enter what new password you would like to use. And then confirm password by, re-entering the new one. Then tap on done. And in my case, my two new passwords, they do not match. So let me quickly re-enter them. Then you'll get the update successful message, and that will be it. The password for your Twitter account was successfully changed already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.